Yeah, I think it's quite funny.
Go away.
The Coachman Lusso II. Caravanning in luxury. And was the chair comfy, by the way, when you were sat?
It was very comfortable, actually.
Can you reach in the cupboards in this one?
God, Jesus. Just. They are extremely heavy.
Quality.
It is, yes, it is quality. Whether I can reach in this one. Ooh. No.
So we still can't have cups and plates.
No.
So we can have a caravan that we can't cook in because we can't reach anything.
Because that.
Is it soft close? Oh,
Yes.
soft close.
This is nice. It's nice because it feels like you have lounge kitchen. Don't quite know about that.
Oh, it's got a screen.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
it's a screen. But that's why it feels so wide. That's
Yeah.
why they've made the use of the 8 foot wide.
Yeah.
Because they've given you the space to be light and bright and airy. Trendy pull-out baskets. Ooh, trendy double opening cupboard.
Yes, it has pull out. So you can access that both ways. Yes.
And sideways island bed, which obviously pulls down. I don't think there'd be a lot of space left when it's pulled down, but
To shimmy.
you just have to shimmy past.
Do the shimmy shake.
Can't get in the bathroom?
Yes, you can.
Michelle can get in the shower.
Yeah, but look how big this is. You can have a party in there. Look at that.
You could have a party in there.
You can have a party in there. That's lovely.
This is a very, very pleasant caravan. Questionable at what point a caravan became £51,000, but very pleasant caravan.
It is nice.
Fancy one of these?
I could live in one of these.
You have to swap your motorhome for it.
No, not what I'm now. They're not doing part exchange of the camera.
Mind you, the lighting in the drawers is quite clever.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm quite liking that.